Hello, welcome to Brunagem Academy of Abacus. I am Dashmeet Kaur, your Abacus teacher, and today I will tell you how to download Brunagem Android application from Play Store. Finding a Brunagem app is very easy. However, this video will help you to find it faster. You must be familiar with the Play Store app. Let's find that icon first. Here it is. Click it and Play Store homepage will open. Now you have to search for Brunagem. There should be no space between Brunyak and Gem. It should be together. Now, as you can see, Brunagem app will come on top. Now click it and install the application. So, once the application is installed, you have to open it. By opening the app, the home page will open. Here you will see Brunagem logo on top and below. It will ask for user ID, that is your academy's roll number, and password. So you have to click on register here for registration and to get academy's roll number and password. So once we click on register here, the registration page will open. In registration, you have to enter all the details it asks for. The first is center name. So in center name, you have to mention the location of your center. So I am filling Moti Nagar here. So you have to fill according to your location of your center. The next is student name. So I am entering Aarti. So in the same way, you have to enter the name of your child. The next is date of birth. First will be the date, then its month, and then its year. Next, school name. GD Goenka School. So in the same way, you have to mention the name of the school of your child. School address. Next is father's details. You have to fill father's name, qualification, and occupation. Qualification, if he is graduate, write down graduate in that. Occupation, if he is businessman, write down businessman, and if he is doing a job, then write down service. Next is mother's details. Again, you have to mention the name, the qualification, occupation, and the number of mother. Name is done. Qualification, again, if she is graduate, write down graduate accordingly. Occupation, if she is housewife, write down housewife. If she is doing service, write down service. I'm writing teacher. Mobile number accordingly. Now the next is email. Email section, you have to be careful. You must enter email which is active, because in this email you will receive academy's roll number and password. Now it's done. Let's move to the next part, that is residential address. So you have to mention your address. Next is sibling name. If you have these details, otherwise just leave this part. So I'm just leaving this part. Let's move to the next part. Now there you have to proceed by clicking the course you have joined with Brunagium Academy of Abacus. I'll be clicking Abacus and Handwriting Improvement, both the courses. Now I have filled all the details, so now I'll be clicking on Register Now and proceed for one-time registration fees, that is ₹100. In the same way, after filling up the form, you have to click on Register Now. So now we are at the payment page. Brunagium Payment Gateway have all the possible options for your convenience. You can pay via debit card or credit card. You can pay through Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, etc. So registration fee through Paytm. So I'll be clicking up the options of others. Here I will choose the option wallets. Now Paytm. And now I will click on Pay Now. Okay, by clicking on the proceed, you will submit the fees. Just check the correct payment details and then click on Pay Now. After making payment, you have to check your email now for Academy's roll number and password. If you have any other query, you can directly go to the app and click on Contact Us option below. Here, you will get two ways to get in touch with us. One is through WhatsApp and other is through mail. You can also call us on the same number on WhatsApp. Once you get the ID and password, you have to fill to log into the application. I'm entering that Academy's roll number and password that I have received on email. Now the password. Now when we will click on login, your application will open. Here it is. I hope this video is beneficial for you. So now keep learning, keep practicing, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.